So if you want to draw a line, so line command I'm performing now, L enter and drag. So now F8 ortho on off, so if you on, so it will be straight, if you off, so it will be zigzag. So now if you want, so without scale lining, so you can draw like that. If you want with scale line, so L enter and give the scale like 10 feet, enter, so the line draw. If you want to measure the line at the draw 10 feet or not, so DAL enter, dimension shortcut DAL enter, so see it's 10 feet line. So now if you want to erase these all lines, so select E enter, erase. Thanks for watching.